Good morning everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm installing some heated grips on my Royal Enfield Meteor 350. These are heated grips from Kozo. The name of these heated grips is HG13. One benefit of these heated grips is they have an integrated switch, so you have no separate switch on the handlebar. The length of these heated grips is 130 millimeters. That's what you need for the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. I will just show you what's inside the package. So you get some glue, some end caps, and then the heated grips. The left side is the one with the thick cable and the switch here. You have 5 different positions. And then you have all the cables you need. There's a fuse here inside too, so it shouldn't be too difficult to install these. Let's go out and install the grips. First thing, I have to take off the end weights. That's quite easy. These are bigger ones, not the original ones. I put bigger ones on the handlebars because of the top box. Okay, so first try to get the old grips off. I don't want to cut them, so I try to get them off with this screwdriver here. And a little bit of brake cleaner. Oh, I think I need a longer one. Yeah, that's better. Oh. Okay. So this was very easy. So now clean everything. I have to get all the rest of the brake cleaner and glue off the grip. Let's see if it fits. Also the length is perfect. So number one was very easy. There's no glue anymore on the grip. So let's go for the other side. On this side you have to be a little bit more careful because of the plastic grip, which is under the grip itself. This one feels quite easy too. Okay, there's something here at the end. Now you can see this part here and this part here we have to take off. So very careful that you don't take off too much. Let's check if we have to take off all these pins here. I have to take off all these small pins here. So now we come to the big part here. Better be careful not to cut too much. So I'll take a file now for the smaller pieces here. Yeah, this looks good. Just a little bit more at the end. So to get a little bit better grip on the end, I'll Put a little bit of electric tape here. So next step is to see where we put the cable in which position. So maybe in the down position, let's see if it's on here. So I think the cable should go to the down side, and then I have enough play for the throttle. Next step is to put some glue everywhere. I will put it here on the end so that it gets to the front by itself when you push the grip to the front. Okay, so let's go. So position facing downwards, like that. Then just slightly push it like that, wiggling a little bit. Just check the position again. Okay. Okay, important, leave a little bit of play here. I have enough play in the cable, looks good. Okay, so finished. This one can dry now. Yep, this should be somewhere down here, okay. So some glue. Okay, so cable facing down, and then slowly before I close it, I will take off the glue that's on here, because a lot is coming out, as you can see. So this looks good. First step is done. Just have to find a good place for the cables here. And the other side, the same. Looks perfect. Everything has to dry now. So next step, I will put the end caps back on. Yep, fits. Perfect. So everything is moving. There's a gap everywhere, front and rear. Looks perfect. So before I get to the electrics in the headlamp, I will try to route the cables a little bit already. So all these cables left and right side have to go inside the headlamp. Keep enough play for this cable here. This is important. If not, you block your throttle cable. Now take a cable tie and now some smaller zip ties. So this looks good. Cut the ends later. Let's see if there's enough room in there, in this rubber one. Should be, yes. Okay, perfect. And I'm waiting with the rest until I detach the headlamp. So next step, take off the headlamp to get to the cables inside. Just 2 screws, very simple. And then take it off like that. Take off the cable here in the back. That's it. To get to all the cables that are behind it. Oh, it's just a small plastic spreader. Oh, that's it. Easy peasy. So now I will bring the cables somehow in there. Here's number one. Number one. And from the other side, number 2. Oh, this was easy. So now I have this huge part here, quite big. Everything fits inside. Number 1. Number 2. And of course I have to cut everything here because this is way too long. Okay, I found a ground cable and a power cable. And these 2 cables I will connect to my main cable here. Cut the black cable here. Two black cables together. So bring them back in the middle. And now we need some heat. There we are. Perfect. Perfect connection. So before I put some isolation tape on it, I will try if the heated grips work before I put everything together. Yes, Perfect. Works. So now I have to put some isolation tape around these connections here. These are really steady. Never had a problem with these. Much better than the power thieves that you can use, which just clip inside a cable. This works very good with these connectors. So, this looks good. And now everything has to fit somewhere here behind it. Maybe this can go in there so that I can get to the fuse. This maybe up here. This behind there. Looks okay. This is the cable I need for the headlamp. So, yeah, perfect. Just put these small pins back in. Number 2. So, just connecting the cable and that's it. Easy peasy. Chuck. So, perfect. So let's check everything again. Switch on the ignition. Lights working. Heated grips are working too. Perfect. So let's cut all the ends. This wasn't that difficult. My first time installing heated grips, the Kozo heated grips. I will put the link to these heated grips down in the video description. To take off the old grips was very easy. It goes very fast. Only the throttle grip was a little bit harder because there are these pins on the plastic so that you cannot turn the grip. I think it's not even glued. They just stick it on and it holds because of these pins which are around the grip. So you have to very careful take off these pins which are on the top of the plastic with a knife or with a file, and then just sandpaper it, and at the end you can put the grip on it quite easy. And then you just have to find a power cable and a ground cable, connect the heated grips, and that's it. So quite easy. I was a little bit surprised. Took me half an hour and now they are ready. The heat these grips are producing is quite strong, so absolutely enough for my kind of usage. So just in case I'm riding in the morning or in the evening and it's a little bit cold, which can happen in April, then I have some heated grips now. Link to the heated grips is down in the video description, just in case you are interested. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you are riding, ride safe. I see you in the next one. Take care and cheers.